Okay, I just put this sensor in, route the cable, and the tighten with a 10 millimeter. The bolt in the back here. Now rotor is on, and this brake bracket. Okay, brake bracket is two 22 millimeter bolt. All right, just tighten it. 100 pounds. That's more than enough. And then lubricate the caliper pin, two of them, up, down, and this is the brake pad. Just squeeze it in. Of course, apply the anti-seize, and I just squeeze, push in the caliper piston, okay, with this too. All right, I just release that, and the back, this go. I also apply the anti-seize, all right, for the caliper piston right there. Now, just untangle those hangers and put the caliper on. And this, I believe the caliper bolt is the 14 millimeter. Just tighten it, and this brake pad job also finished. All right, thank you for watching.